is Srinivas Reddy. Welcome to YouTube channel. Last class we are seeing how to classification of amino acids, but today we are discussing about preparation of amino acids. How to prepare amino acid, that is we are seeing in this class. Okay, by preparation of amino acids by using three methods. Okay, that is first method is from alpha halo acid method. Alpha halo acid method. Second method is from malonic ester method. Third method is Stecker's method. What? First method is from alpha halo acid method. Second method is from malonic ester method. Third method is Stecker's method. First method is what? From alpha halo acid method. By using this method, how to prepare that amino acids? By using this method, we are prepared glycine. Okay, glycine is the one of the amino acids. Formula of glycine is NH2 CH2 COOH. This is the formula of what? Glycine. Okay, by using this method we are prepared glycine. Okay, in this reaction, first we are taken acetic acid. That acetic acid react with chlorine molecule in the presence of hydrogen iodide and phosphorus mixture to produce what? Chloroacetic acid. That chloroacetic acid react with 1 mole of ammonia to produce what? This glycine. Okay, to produce glycine. See, reaction. First we have taken what? Acetic acid. That acetic acid react with what? Chlorine molecule in the presence of hydrogen iodide and phosphorus mixture to produce what? Chloroacetic acid. This chloroacetic acid react with what? Ammonia to produce what? Glycine. NH2 CH2 COOH. NH2 CH2 COOH. This is the what? Glycine. This is chloroacetic acid. This is acetic acid. This reaction mechanism is, what is the reaction condition? In this reaction, there are 3 active alpha hydrogens are there. Okay, this active hydrogens are called as what? Alpha hydrogens. This carbon is called as what? Alpha carbon. Beside the carbonyl carbon is called as what? Alpha carbon atom. There are 3 alpha hydrogens are there. Okay, these are alpha hydrogens having acidic nature. This acidic nature of 3 hydrogens react with, in this one hydrogen react with one atom of chlorine to react with to produce what? Hydrogen chloride. That another one of the chlorine atom react with this this acetic acid to produce what? Chloroacetic acid. Okay, this chloroacetic acid what? React with 1 mole of ammonia. In this, one of the hydrogen atom react with chlorine atom. Okay, to produce what? Hydrogen, to eliminate what? To eliminate hydrogen chloride. Next, having carbanion. This carbanion react with amine ion to produce what? Glycine. Okay, to produce glycine. Next, we have prepared alanine. We have prepared what? Alanine. alanine. Formula of alanine is CH3 CH NH2 CO OH. What? CH3 CH NH2 COOH. By using this method, we have prepared what? Alanine. In this alanine preparation, first we are using reactants propanoic acid, formula of propanoic acid CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH. This propanoic acid react with chlorine molecule in the presence of hydrogen iodide and phosphorus mixture to produce chloropropanoic acid CH3CH Cl C double bond O OH. This chloropropanoic acid react with ammonia molecule to produce what? Alanine. To produce alanine CH3 CH NH2 C double bond O OH. C double bond O OH. This is what? Alanine. Next, this name is chloropropanoic acid, alpha chloropropanoic acid, alpha chloropropanoic acid. This is what? Propanoic acid. What? CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH. This propanoic acid react with chlorine molecule to produce alpha chloropropanoic acid. This is again react with ammonia molecule to produce what? Alanine. In this reaction condition, same. In this, there are having two alpha hydrogen atom. This alpha hydrogen atom react with chlorine molecule to produce chloroacetic acid. Another hydrogen atom react with another atom of chlorine to produce hydrogen, to elimination of hydrogen chloride. Next, this alpha chloropropanoic acid react with ammonia. In this ammonia contains 3 hydrogens. One of the hydrogen atom react with chlorine atom to produce, to elimination of hydrogen chloride. In this NH2 minus atom, NH2 minus molecule react with this carbocation to produce what? Alanine. Okay, this is reaction condition. Next, we are prepared. We are going to next method. That method is what? Malonic ester method. In this malonic ester method, we are prepared amino acids. Okay. First we are using what? Malonic ester. That malonic ester having two active hydrogens. That two active hydrogen react with sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol. Okay. To produce sodium malonic ester. That sodium malonic ester react with alkyl halide to produce alkyl malonic ester product. Okay, that alkyl malonic ester product react followed by hydrolysis to produce what? Alkyl malonic acid. That alkyl malonic acid react with what? Bromine molecule. One mole of bromine molecule to produce alkyl bromomalonic acid. That is react with one mole of ammonia molecule. That gives rise to what? One of the amino acids, that is alpha amino acids. To see that reaction condition, first we are using what? Malonic ester. Okay, malonic ester formula is CH2 C double bond O C2 H5. Next, C double bond O C2 H5. This is the what? Malonic ester. This malonic ester having what? Two active alpha hydrogens. This is active alpha hydrogens. Okay. This active alpha hydrogen atoms react with what? Sodium metal in the presence of what? C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. This is active alpha hydrogen atoms. One of the active alpha hydrogen atom react with sodium metal to produce what? Sodium CH minus Na plus sodium malonic ester C double bond O C2H5. Next C double bond O C2H5. This is react with what? Alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Okay. In this alkyl halide, this is halogen atom having highly electronegative atom. That's why the bond pair of electrons transfer to this atom to this atom. That's why it is acquires negative charge. This is acquire partially positive charge. This is this halogen atom, this partially positive charge of the alkyl group attached to this position. Next, halogen atom react with this sodium metal. That's why it is elimination of what? NaX. To produce what? To produce CH, C double bond O C2H5. Next to C double bond O C2H5. In this, we are using what? Alkyl attaching. Okay. H. This is alkyl attach. Okay. This is called as what? Alkyl malonic ester. The same is called as what? Sodium malonic ester. Sodium malonic ester. This is react with what? Water molecule. That is undergo what? Water molecule to produce what? Malonic acid. In this position, breakage of bonds. In this dihydrogen having H plus OH minus. This is H plus OH minus. This is H plus OH minus. H plus OH minus. This bond is breaking to produce what? 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH C2H5OH. Next gives rise to what? RCH C double bond OH. Next to C double bond OH. This is called as what? Alkyl malonic acid, that is R H. Next to what? C double bond O what? H. Next to C double bond OH. This is called as what? Malonic acid. Which malonic acid? Alkyl malonic acid. There are one alkyl group is present, that's why it is called as what? Alkyl malonic acid. This alkyl malonic acid undergoing decarboxylation, that is elimination of CO2 molecule. Okay. In this, one CO2 molecule is eliminated. Okay. This hydrogen atom attached to this position. Okay. To produce what? RCH2 C double bond OH. That is decarboxylation. Undergo decarboxylation in the presence of what? One of the we are using heat. That is in the presence of also Br2 molecule to produce what? Bromoestic acid, that is RCHBr. Next one is C double bond OH. In this, one molecule of carbon dioxide eliminated. Okay. In this, one of the bromine atom attached to this position. Okay, CHBr. Next, one of the bromine atom eliminated, that is minus HBr. Okay, to produce what? bromo, what? One of the acid is from. Okay, that is alpha bromo acid is formed. This alpha bromo acid react with ammonia, one molecule of ammonia, to produce what? Minus HBr, to elimination of HBr, hydrogen bromide. In this, one of the imine group, one of the NH2 group attached this position to elimination of what? This bromine atom and also hydrogen atom, that is to produce RCH NH2 C double bond O OH. It is one of the amino acid. Which amino acid? Alpha amino acids. In this alpha position, that is present in amine group. That's why it is called as what? Alpha amino acids. Okay. By using, it is the normal method. By using this normal method, we are prepared what? Isoleucine. Okay. Next, preparation of leucine or isoleucine by using this malonic ester method. What is the formula of leucine? We are already know. Leucine formula is CH3, next CH2, CH, NH2, CO, OH. This is called as what? Leucine. Last class we are already discussing. Okay, this is the leucine formula. We are using this method. We are prepared what? Leucine. First we are prepared this leucine. First we are using reactants. Which reactants are used? We are already know, that is malonic acid. Malonic acid formula is CH2 C double bond O C2 H5 C double bond O C2 H5. This is react with sodium metal in the presence of what? C2 H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol, to produce, to elimination of what? C2 H5OH, that is to produce CH minus Na plus, next C double bond O C2 H5, next C double bond O C2 H5. Okay, this is called as what? Sodium malonic ester. Sodium malonic ester. This is what? Malonic ester. This sodium malonic ester react with what? That is react with isobutyl bromide to elimination of what? Hydrogen bromide, to produce CH CH3 CH2 what? C double bond O CH2 CH C double bond O C2 H5, next C double bond O C2 H5. In this, what? This sodium metal atom react with what? React with what? Bromine atom, the elimination of what? Sodium bromide. This molecule is attached to this position. Okay, that is CH3 CH, next to CH2, next to CH C double bond O C2 H5, next to C double bond O C2 H5. Okay, next followed by hydrolysis to produce what? CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH C double bond O, OH, C double bond O, OH. Next, followed by what? Decarboxylation. The trans of bromine molecule. Okay. Next, CH3 to produce what? CH3. Next, CH2. Next, CH2, CH, Br, C double bond O, OH. To elimination of what? Hydrogen bromide. Okay, decarboxylation occurs to elimination of hydrogen bromide. Okay, to produce what? CH3, CH, CH2, CH, Br. Next, C double bond O, OH. Next, react with what? 1 mole of ammonia to produce what? To elimination of hydrogen bromide, to produce leucine. CH3, CH3. Next, CH2, CH, NH2. Next, C double bond O, OH. That is CH3, CH. Next, CH2, CH, NH2. Next, C double bond OH. That is COH. This is called as what? Leucine. By using this method, malonic ester method, we have prepared what? One of the alpha amino acids, that is called as what? Leucine. Okay. Next method is what? Steckos method. Okay, now this Steckos method we are discussing next class. Okay.